Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. Are very special. It's all morning over here. Thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So on today's videos are very special, and let me know in the comment section what you think about. So right now I'm gonna take you outside. That's how everything it is inside here. So let's go. Wow, that's how my home looks like. Nothing changed here. Wow. So I'm heading to the farm, checking how my mama and my brother are plowing, because I'm going somewhere else. Wow, look at that. That's my home, sweet home sweet. That's how it looks like. Look at that. Look. Right. I'm heading this way, checking my mama at the farm. That's my uncle's bike right here. And it's reminding me when I didn't have my bike. Those back years, I was renting my uncle's bike, heading to border town, making shopping for my mama. And when God say yes, nobody can say no. I was blessed through Monkia, opened the door. He bought for me a motorbike, my first motorbike, which is a Honda. And then, man, we're still riding. And then through your support, by watching my videos, I was saving little. I have a new one. And and maybe guys, maybe I'm thinking about to get another bike. So to have two of them, one bike stand for the maybe small shopping, and then also another bike, maybe it can help me, when my brother and sister have been sent from school, I can manage to have cash and maybe pay to compensate what I have, so I'm thinking about that. Wow. Yeah, if maybe I have a maybe it's a bad idea, you can advise me, but for me I think it was a good idea. That's the kind of saving. Yeah, yesterday they have been plowing from other side. Right now they have been here. You can see all my family. Yeah, this is my brother's project. His work is to plow. Say morning, my brother.
Morning.
Mama, say morning.
Morning.
You good, my brother? Morning. Yeah, man. Yeah. Guys, to be like, when I see my family around, man, I feel so good. Look at that. Yeah, my mama, she was on gambut. See? There's a gambut. But me, no, something crazy. Look, my brother's on gambut. Where my mama huna gambut? You don't have gambut? Because my mama have gambut, my brother and also other brother didn't have gambut. I asked him what's wrong, what's happened, because when you are in the farm, you need to have gambut for sure. Look at that. Call it only the same. Yeah, look, that's gambut. But this young man here, no gambut. This is crazy. All right. Yeah. So after this, my journey started. Hi. I'm fikir mamu di tenku ninku yande.
Tu ko batemera.
Tero he. Batemera von ubunda nyurutu venye musa chigambo. Sine ne gani kuja kukimbiza. Mama, I'm chasing dollar. Awasungu ko kapacha nkacha tema. Kuja. Tadere keri gambe hanu mura to ako tato. Ay ko heri mbaka kumunya. Let me kick in. see, guys. Today I didn't feel like, you know, to hold a djembe, that metallic stuff. Alright guys, we shall meet on the next video. So right now we are on the farm. Look, that's my mama. Kura vitana. Ah, the way. Guys, we're still going. Mama left us.
I'm doing control farming.
Yes.
Yes. As you can see.
Yeah, that's 2 bull cows.
Yeah.
So guys, we shall meet on the next video. Let's do this. Guys, I was waiting this car since morning up to right now. I'm on this shell here, and then maybe yeah man. Okay, hey.
Give me a lot of time for looking for the car.
You know,
Not
maybe I was dealing with another guy here. He was my neighbor.
Yeah.
You know, because of the poverty and there, he take a U-turn. He returned the money, and then we decided, okay, let's make another day. I swear, guys, one day I will have my own car.
That's good.
Okay,
Baraka, just put an
Matiko. Guys, we need to put the gas as we go. I'm telling you. Hey. Yeah, we're gonna fill the gas right now here.
Baby, now, how do you feel, my friend?
Bro, let me tell you, since morning
You are here because this
I had another guy,
Yeah.
and then when we make a deal, he reaches said, no, I need 7,000.
7,000.
I'm already around
You know, from if you want to hire a car, I should tired.
It's only 2 hours, my
Yeah,
friend.
okay, okay, you want to hire a car, you can get in a day 3,000 put an offer. And for why you asking for 7,000?
Imagine, guys, imagine 60 USD to
But
hire a
I'm
car.
very sorry, you know, I get a lot of challenges down there because I was looking for the car. Because when you call me, I know I must get the car because the baby want to go. I call one of my friends, he give me so me
Yeah.
go, I will remain at Nyabohanse.
Where? Oh, say, ngapi? Okay. 2K. Wewe uko na mafuta? This is crazy. Let's fill the car as we go. Guys, I feel so sad, so disappointed. You know, maybe if somebody see I'm going to gain something else because of, you know, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
So my brother,
Okay.
soda.
You wait. I give you $1.
I need now. I need now. You utanitenga wewe. I need now. Hey guys, go and check me there. Mahir Africa.
Okay.
I have a nice video.
Yeah, man.
Support. These are the babies of my brother.
Yeah.
When you call me, I must respond.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I didn't trust money. If I sleep with that money, things will end up. Alright, we shall meet on the way. Alright. Let's go, sir.
Yeah man, let's go.
First thing, put the belt.
You have also to put the belt.
Yeah, you put the safety belt. No problem, my brother. I know the rules. Mungu moja.
Ilimenye.
Utairi kwanta gore ga.
Ilimenya kusome juta leo. Maskini mbaya.
Guys, we're heading this way. And I'm trying to put the
Jamani. Hapo muziki. Muziki na kwa maana yende. Unajua. Baraka ni dereva. Akachamua CV. Kacha. Hello baby.
Yes. You know the
Ningependa ningependa chukua gari wewe.
Ah, você tá toda hayo. Ya the local village boy.
Kweli bebe acha usha.
Acha najua. Sema iko chini.
Tumenunulia soda, acha nikufungie.
Moro sasa kama CDC yale. So heading this way. Yeah. Man, I'm just leaving the Bansi village, but I'm kind of disappointed.
Tuenda na yeye.
Mara mama kubwa tuka kusimama kwa
Ni
nje.
kweli ina to west.
Hey, no.
No, no.
I'm so disappointed on this time. Let's go.
Look at that.
Yeah. It's a nice travel. Can I hear you? Can I go and go in the make a bond? So hematic go We're gonna go. There's a guy here who paid tax. No problem.
This man is very crazy.
Yeah, man. Hey, look at that. That's what I'm saying, guys. Well, say I'm concentrating on the garden.
I'm not going to say the mirror.
Okay. Well, my boys, but I'll just drop one by one at the hands.
Let's drop one.
Okay.
Yeah, baby, without me, you cannot get back. Without me.
Yeah, you are a nice person, man. Look at that, man. Mahuwe. Mahamere hayuwe kamere. Hata iPhone ita also. Ya tufikisha turudishe.
Yeah. Wana ulishusha hapo mbele hapo kuna watoto hivi tafadhali. I'm so busy, man. Yeah, hapo hivi. Save journey, bro. Save journey.
All right, man.
Save journey, brother.
Mahiri Africa.
Yeah.
Asante
We'll talk
sana.
later, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
We talk later.
Nasikia mbinkundo.
Sawa, iwabuya.
Okay. Asante my brother. Haya. Ciao ciao. Oh, you need to have a license. Like for me yesterday I was having my license for the motorbike.
Yeah.
We're calling logbook.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah guys, you know in Migori here, you have jam everywhere. So this may go for you. Look at that. Amazing. Wow. Whew. I don't know where we can maybe manage to hit our journey, but it is what it is, guys. Let's go. We got it for you. Yani shida penye iko ni hapa Migori. Kisha pitaka hapa tu. Alright guys, we shall meet at Kisii town again. Alright Hi guys, welcome to Rongo. You know, if you are a Luo watching these videos, comment. Look at that. People are outside. Indunaenda tena nini? Yes. This one is going also to Kisumu right now here. Yeah man. Okay. We have the way bridge here. See the police is hustling. Yes, that's a way bridge. Agwan man. Look at that machine. It's crazy. Yeah, let's go. What a bumps. Yeah, I told you, sir, this road have some crazy bumps. Much. Oh, yeah. Whew. Yeah, when God say yes, nobody can say no.
Yeah.
So this is secret agenda. Yeah? Okay. Yeah. We have the boys at the back. Yeah.
They're here.
Yes, man. Yeah, we're so blessed, man. And yeah, I see running cruiser right there, 4x4. I'm telling you. Right now we are in Kisii again. No, Highland. Yeah. Yeah, look, 4x4. Land cruiser. Right here. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. People are outside selling banana. Yeah, man. You see? 4x4. Yeah, man. Look at that. Kipunda. Yeah, man. Welcome to Kisii town. Look at that. Yeah. That's Jomo Kenyatta University. Yeah. This V power shed right here. People are outside, man, working so hard, putting something on table. I'm telling you. Yeah, very congested. Yesterday I was been here, and guys, I have some problem with my helmet, so it's a small one. BMW. Man. It's Kisii for you. Yes, guys, I know most of you, you take care of me, you love me, and that being said, to be honest, I have some problem, you know, with the helmet. So, right? People are outside, man, I'm telling you. Look at that. Here they are selling some fruits. See, right here. I'm telling you. Yeah, careful. Have my driver. So I think I'll buy a bigger helmet, cause even me like driving something crazy. I think right here. That's Junior.
Tuende mbele. Sababu ndio hiyo hapo. Tuende tupige kona pale.
Yeah.
Turudi. Ona.
This town for you. Well developed.
Tunapigia kwa mafuta pale. Turudi tuingie hivi.
Ni kwa nini?
Look at that. Matiko, umatambo nguduna mkimukiri. Eh? Hata. Chillax. Boots. Relax. I need you go. Yeah. See? Slowly. I know. Yeah. Sasa umeingia.
Si tulikuwa tunataka kuna nirudi.
Surudi.
Nataka nirudi reverse.
Yeah. So this case is for you. I think also these are restaurants right here. People are eating. All right. That one. Wewe sasa kitu mtafanya? Ukishamaliza tunakula nanasi na nimekaukiwa. Let's go. Look at that. What afadhali tunonero. Ladies are outside, man. You know. So I think there's a shop right here. I think right here. Oh, in front. Yeah, I was confused. Yeah, man. The other side. Yeah. Where you get lost? What do you think? You park in the front.
This space is tumeacha nyuma.
Huh? Huh? Where?
Tuona penye tunaweza park.
Kwani duki kwa hapo ile mbele?
Ile mbele.
Iko mbele.
Tutapigia wao wale wanalori.
So I think it's right here.
This one.
This one? Here. So we're gonna ask them. Yes. Yeah, we need to ask the parking, man. I told them yesterday. They think I'm joking. Hey, ndio nimefika. Sawa. Aye. Okay, we need the parking. Tiko, wenye mukiro motambo. Wewe mukiro motambo. Are you happy? Yeah.
I'm Kisii town now.
Okay. Okay, you know me I'm just coming like Shagalabaka, you know the way I am right now.
Thank you. Guys,
okay, you're heading. Eh? But something that I'm going to buy, I'll never mention. And then maybe you have nice TV. Hey. Matiko, unaonaje vitu?
I see a beautiful thing, electronic. Yes.
Generator. Hii ni motor, this is a motor here.
This is water pump.
This is what? Kisima. Sola leza endesha hiki tu.
Ya sola iko kama
ya sola iko ni ya umeme bana. Oh, inachuja. Maji safi.
Sasa ndio hii. Unaweka soda ya 250.
Ngoja nitengeneze ile tawa ya tank. Alright guys, that's how Kisii looks like. Ulidani sitakuja?
Usiniambie nakuja, mimi naambia ukuje.
Haya.
Kama ulirekodi hiyo ndio unaweza kuonyesha
Ile sijaeka bado.
hizo vitu.
Alright guys, that's the vibe for Kisii. You know. Ujamanda huyu, mambo bora. Kama tebe hara wotore gari. Mambo baya. Right. That's how it looks like. I'm telling you. La hara sure. These are tourists. Sister, say hello. You good? Oh, ni Waspanyola. Okay, asante. We meet with some Spanish people.
Let's go this way.
Oh, hivi? Okay. You know, talking Spanish, it's something difficult.
Bonjour.
So we say bonjour. Just heading this way. I'm trying to look the big solar. Big solar. Big solar, man. Sasa tunaenda juu. Hey, let's go. This is a hot vibe here. If you don't speak Spanish, there's some guy tried to harass me like, oh, I'm a dealer. No, that's a fake dealer. A good dealer didn't like fossil people. Even. Okay. This is a bank, cooperative bank. You know. I think it's a Kisii. Oh, opposite side you have Kisii Bank. If you need to have cash, it's with this road. Okay. Wagwan, man. Let's go. Homeless guys sleeping. It's crazy. Let's go. It's very hot. Yeah. If you don't speak Spanish, no greeting, no communication.
No communication, only Spanish.
This is a bank here, family bank. Right. Here we move. Oh. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Okay. So we go this way. Okay. Have been blocked. Right. Let's move.
Let's go.
This Kisii vibe 2025.
We have shipping over there.
Yes, supermarket
Yeah, man.
on this building here. Right. I think you go down.
Have a look at those huge banana.
Which one?
Pineapples over there.
Okay, let's move. I'm telling you. People outside, hustles for real, you know.
Struggling.
Yes. You need to struggle and then you put something on table. Crazy. Right. Let's move. I'm telling you guys, here you must be very careful. We go this way?
This way, yeah.
Right. Oh my God. Something crazy. We go straight. Osea, we go straight? Okay, no problem. Right. Super calm there.
Have a look at this beautiful building.
Yeah. Oh my God. Crazy.
That one.
That's crazy.
Get more for life.
Yeah, man. I think we walk on this side. Yeah.
Wow, 4x4.
It's not a cruiser. Double cabin, man. Yeah, man. Let's go. If you don't mind, ako kanaweza beba.
Ukifunga juice iko sawa.
Juice itapasuka bums.
Juu pale usinajua ile nani iko na nani ndani.
Oh.
Sponge.
Okay, guys. Let's move. I think if I get a nice shot here, I should promote them.
Dresses here.
No.
Dresses.
Soft life shot.
Yeah.
If I get it, boom. Look at that.
Go with it.
Yeah, I realize when people are going to job, majority of them use the bicycle.
Sure.
We're gonna move. There's clothes hanging outside, you know. We're calling second-hand clothes, Mtumba. These are supermarkets, unique supermarkets, yes. Right. Let's go. Look, nice dress for the ladies. I think these are church. Even yeah, man. Oh. Don't just say nail super. Maybe down here. Yeah. Hey, I see nice clothes, but more expensive. Man.
Yeah.
Look.
I like it.
Yeah. Imagine I was coming from other side, heading this way. Oh man. Right. We go down. I think we go up.
Let's go downwards.
And then we go around.
Yeah. Because the other side you are going to. I know you are scared of filming.
These are nurses here. Yes, that's nurses, man.
This some hospital
Eh?
over there. Can you talk about?
Oh, yeah. Actually, I see some nurse there. So there's a hospital here. Amazing. If you have coins to buy pineapple, what do you think?
I'm coinless. If you haven't, you can just go.
Ask him.
You just go. Like a piece of.
But I put camera far away. Bro, unauzaje hizo mundani? Aya. We need to eat food.
Yeah.
Hakuna matata. It's 20 bob?
Yeah, each.
Aya, kura moja. Hauna karatasi ndugu yangu juu
Tushikie.
si mbaya. I need paper. Na hii nzima? Nzima? Nzima?
Full.
Huh? 150. Oh, hii full? Okay, we bring this one. Wacha tule hizi utanipa hii moja. Leta karatasi.
Hauna karatasi tushikie. Oh, like you know, from the place where we are coming from, it's
Yes.
different with this one. So yeah, the rules are
Okay.
tougher. If you're gonna be caught with those ones,
Hizi ni za Kisii, hapo si za Uganda, si ndio?
Unauzia?
Tutuzia hii. Ngoja nile moja sasa kama una karatasi.
Let's take up. Don't twara wasiwasi na bantu ega stole. Don't twara wasiwasi. I'm telling him not to be scared because you know he was almost like scared of maybe how we do this. Wow. Let me have a bite of this. So the rules.
Na maji huwezi kuwa nayo kunawa mikono. Okay. I understand you. Hosea, I think here they have more nice, so sweet pineapple rather than Tanzania. Yeah. Nitachukua hii. Ngoja nimalize kula. Yeah, I'm telling him if I finish this eating, I'll pick this one for my family.
I know these ones they bring from Kalenjin people and also some parts of Kisii there.
Yeah.
Ikonge, Rolet.
Uganda? Is it? Okay. Welcome Kenya. I see more pineapple. Look, more pineapple.
Like Uganda, they produce huge ones
Yeah.
and sweet ones.
You see more pineapple.
See others over there.
Ile ndogo ile 85 au ukikata wala kisitani unapata 15.
Oh, so he mean you have the bigger one and smaller one. The more it's bigger, the price is high. The more is.
And always people go for the bigger ones, the demand. Yeah. People love the bigger ones. Like these ones are just like beautiful, even from the outskin. They are just sweet, yeah, attractive. You know, another way.
What do you think?
Yeah.
You add one?
Me, I'm full of that one, huh?
All right.
Because it has a lot of water,
Sugar.
water, and also sugar. So one is enough. Yeah. That's everything it is.
Tuchagulie huko rafiki yangu. Usiogope.
Chukua hii. That one. This one is big and
Yeje tarika tu leo ama kesho.
Iko sawa. Hadi wiki inaenda. Sio kama hii.
Isijue mbichi.
Kama hii unajua imekuwa tangu tazo lakini iko sawa.
Yeah. And these are wheelbarrow. Okay. Haya. Hosea, I think you take that one as we go. Because I have an important letter here.
yeah, exactly.
Okay, man.
Just
$1?
$1.
I think that's $1.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah, man. Unabaki na change yetu shingapi?
10.
Si hata 10 bro.
160.
Haina shida. Usema 150. Change unabaki. Ona, wacha kwenu. Unabaki na shingapi?
10.
Unabaki na shingapi change yetu? Hii hata najua ni 130.
Okay. Sasa unajua ndio umekula hiyo piece.
Enjoy nayo ba. Mimi sina kashida. Ndio maana nimekuza imebaki shingapi.
Sawa.
Haya. Let's move on.
That's how everything it is, you know.
Beta hapa Tanzania ni bei kali.
Sana. Remember like the last time.
Sister, you want to say hello? Yes, say hello.
Hi.
You good? What's your name?
Michelle.
Michelle. Okay. And you? Aye? I'm Sarafina. Okay. Michelle. Sarafina. Okay. What's quick and fast?
Yeah, we have to rush. Take time.
Okay. Aya, asante. Right. Yeah. Think we go this way, man. No problem. This is crazy. We go this way.
Let's use the other side.
This?
Yeah.
Okay. Wagwan, man. People have courage on camera.
Yeah. There are those who have courage. There are those who have courage.
Okay. Real hustle, man. Look at that. They must work for it. Make sure that their family puts something on table.
And what I've just realized is that the motorbikes over here
are more
than also they have umbrellas.
Yeah.
More different from our side. So like even if it's raining,
sunny,
you are under the shade.
Yeah, I think
that's good, which is good. You know.
Okay. When I'm in Nairobi, I think I see electronic bus, but in Kisii here, I didn't see any more.
Like
maybe this one. Oh, it seems looks like this one. Like I'm 2-in-1. Yeah, that's Kisii vibe. Coca-Cola companies within here. Yeah. This is a big pineapple. I took. Alright. Imagine I bought my bike to the this building to other side, and I'm still going to explore more places. Wagwan, man. Okay. Which one? Campan. Yeah, this one here. Let's go. Let's go that way, man. Yeah? Yeah? Whew. Yeah. When you are heading this way, we are going to Nairobi. Trust me. Yep. Do you see Land Cruiser? Yeah. 4x4. This one here. Yeah. Heading to Nairobi. Wagwan, man. Yeah, I think it's from Sirari. Wagwan, man. Yeah, V-Power share right here. Do you remember when I'm going to process my logbook?
Yeah.
We go this way.
This is the routes.
Yeah. Yes. Welcome to the home Maxis Tires in this building here. Wagwan, guys. More vibes on these videos, and let me know what you think about. We're still moving around.
Yeah, man. We gotta move and move and move.
Yes. This is the breakage out of the car windscreen right here, full of them. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Nini? Hii ni ya magari. Ziko.
Nasema gari hilo hapo kwa gari kwa sababu ufunge hivi.
Maybe we'll see.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Men are truck.
Yeah, they are pulling.
Yeah.
You know, like crazy. Yeah. Whew. We're heading straight.
Yeah.
And then we go to the total. We see my bike.
Sure.
Imagine I was being here. That's something crazy. Imagine, guys, if I could have my own car, is to put the gas and then you know, pick my stuff. Right, here we move. You know, it's something crazy here. People have money. Alright, guys, I want to introduce one and the only friends who are watching on my videos, but I think you watch on other vlog, so I want to ask her how she know me from A to Z, and then you know, introduce me. Sorry.
A very bad introduction.
Okay. No.
Hi guys, I'm that Kisii girl. Hello Baby is fun. I can say that. I always watch his channel. I knew him from Nyabohanse, and today he's here in Kisii, and we were like, let's meet up and at least do a video or two.
Yes.
Yeah guys, so I want to say welcome Hello Baby to Kisii town. I've just learned that Hello Baby's mom
Yes, my mama, she's a Kisii.
yeah.
And then my dad, he is a Korean.
Yeah.
So they like interact or intermingle, and then
Apparently, if you can hear Koreans talk, is it Koreans?
yes.
If you can hear people from the Korea land talk and people from Kisii County, there's no major difference.
No.
That just a tiny little bit.
Yes.
Yeah. To some point, sometimes I feel like we're one community. Yeah, so Hello Baby is in Kisii today, and we decided to give him a warm welcome
Yes.
to the town and maybe do a few collabos here and there. Yeah, so right now we are somewhere in Kisii,
Yeah.
near the Kisii Sports Club or the Kisii State Lodge where the president comes.
Oh, I
and-
think here.
yeah, that is the Kisii Sports Club.
Where maybe if president arrived in Kisii, the event took place
There's
here.
somewhere up there
Okay.
where the president sleeps when he comes to Kisii. It's called the Kisii State Lodge. So we are along that road.
Oh, this one here.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm so blessed to step here. You know me, when I just came here, since last year up to now, I just rotate in Kisii town, and then I go to Manga Hills, and then
you've been to Manga
Munyinka.
Hills?
It's Munyinka. There is other estate here, Muniva or Munyinka.
Nah, I don't know.
As you go to, I think Itimbo or what?
Itumbe.
Yes. There's Muni. It's called
Munyinka.
that one. I know that estate.
Yeah, that is actually my ancestral home. Like my dad comes from there.
Okay.
Yeah. But right now we stay in a different place.
Where?
What can I say? I stay in Nyanchwa.
Yeah, I know
Nyanchwa,
Nyanchwa.
yeah. That is where I live.
Okay.
So, yeah, we decided to come together and do a few collabos. And guys, I hope you support us. I am an upcoming YouTuber. I can't be still.
So maybe this vlog we found today or on the next vlog, which is tomorrow. So we combine. You know me, like I'm doing like a series. You know, if you watch my videos, like it's run
You
cuts.
just do videos continuously and then maybe you combine them.
Yes,
into
like 1 hour,
Yeah.
50 minutes, like that.
Oh, that's
I know you do short videos.
My videos are always 40, 45 minutes.
Sorry.
Today is not my day.
Okay.
Yeah, I used to do 10-minute clips, and Baba Mario, he was in Nyabohanse before. Told me I should try and be doing maybe longer videos.
Okay. Look at that.
He
Amazing.
advised me, I think he got the advice from Ayamara.
Yes.
Yeah, he advised me to be doing maybe longer videos.
Yes.
And I started doing an hour, 50, 45 minutes if I go like the least number of minutes. Yeah.
Okay. So we sit here all day.
Maybe somewhere here.
Okay, let's sit here. Jamani, pesa ni ngumu. Okay, I will advise you. You know, the more like the longer you do videos, the more you get watching hours, and then you make good money.
Sure. I'm trying. Nowadays, if you see my videos, I used to do 10 minutes, 15 minutes, at most 20. But nowadays, I go up to 50 minutes, even 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
I've realized when I do longer videos, I get more hours.
yes.
Compared to when I used to do short videos, I used to get lesser hours.
Okay.
I realized maybe there's some people who watch the video in full, and there are others who watch some few minutes. So for those who watch videos in full, give me more hours than when I do short videos. Yeah.
Like for example, I'm doing around 50 minutes. You're doing around 10 minutes. In terms of payment, I'll get more money than you.
Oh,
Yes.
even in payment?
Yes.
Oh, because when you do longer videos, there are more ads.
Yes, and then also, if maybe I found 2 fans watching the full length of the videos, didn't skip ads, one video per 1K or 1,000 views, I get around $12.
The RPM. Oh, that's nice. That's good money.
Imagine
I can't wait to
$12.
one day start earning because it's a journey.
And then when the video rolling up to the next month, you find that videos have $25, $20, $15. You make good money.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll be doing long videos. I'll try and be doing approximately 1 hour, not less. So let me ask you. So for your videos, you normally let me say do an hour long video continuously, or you combine?
No, I do like 20 minutes, I pause, and then when I go to the new places, I do 20 minutes, I pause. And then I go back home, maybe I want to finish my videos, I do around 10 minutes combination, boom, things like that.
That's nice. I've learned something.
Yeah.
For me, I normally think, if the video is for today, it should be like totally today. Yeah.
No, if like for today, you just plan from your home, you want to visit me at Kisii, you do videos from your home, walking Kisii Street, and then you find me. Yeah. You try to give your audience good news.
Yeah.
Good videos, like, maybe for this view, it's a different. When you go to the town, people see, oh, Hello Baby is in town. And then, oh, Hello Baby is at the village. Yeah, things like that.
Is in border town.
I know most of the people see me every in border town. Even today I went to film my bike and then we drive to Kisii. Okay.
That's nice. So yeah, we just met, and by the way, it's good interacting. Like I can say you're a free spirit.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's easy to interact with you, and thank you for having me in your channel. As I said, it's not easy for people to collaborate with people. Once you know you have your own audience, most people normally they just don't want to share their audience, but agreeing to do a collab with me, I'm so grateful.
Yeah, guys, I don't like to be selfish when maybe I have more audience, more views, and they say, oh, it's Hello Baby alone. No. We just share with people.
Because for me, right now, I'm at 1,800 subs. Yeah,
so,
and Hello Baby is somewhere.
Maybe I'm around 7,000. I'm heading to 8,000. So 300 people to hit 8,000.
And I started YouTube in April this year.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, so let me say 4 months and a few weeks on YouTube, and I'm loving the journey so far.
Yes.
But I hope one day to just have a very awesome audience like some of you guys out here.
Are you ready to plan to come in Nyabohanse?
Yeah, soon.
Maybe I think if you have 1,000, let me say 3,000, it can maybe feed you, like having a place to sleep.
Yeah,
and then
I realize Nyabohanse nowadays has Airbnbs. Yeah, I will plan maybe for a weekend and then I'll be back to Kisii, because Nyabohanse is not even far from Kisii.
I think 68 kilometers from Kisii town to Nyabohanse.
Yeah, I'll plan and come maybe on a Friday evening, stay on Saturday, Sunday, and be back on Monday. Yeah. Okay,
maybe during a weekday, maybe did you employed somewhere else?
I used to be employed, but right now I have a small baby. I took a leave for a while. I took a leave for 6 months. When the 6 months depleted, I still took another one.
Okay.
So currently I'm not working.
Okay.
I'm taking care of my small baby girl that you can see on my channel.
You're so blessed to have a baby girl.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, I'm a graduate from Kabarak University Law School. Yeah, I'm currently trying to finish up with my bar exams. I have 2 pending papers that I'm working on, and hopefully I'll be done with them and put on and become a real advocate.
Hey, maybe if I have a land in Korea at my homeland, and then I have some issues with my neighbor, so I've already found you out.
Yeah, hopefully by then I'll have finished up with law school, the Kenya School of Law for the bar.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Joe, could you say me hello? We have another lady here.
Okay. So guys, I'm back again. Yeah, so
have a seat.
oh,
Maybe you sit here. No problem. No, wake up. I know sit. Have a seat.
don't go.
Introduce maybe one more at a time.
Yeah, so I'm here again at Being Chakua. Yeah, so guys, go connect with me at my YouTube channel. Go like my videos. Kindly watch. Don't just go and subscribe without watching. Yeah, because you know most of the people just go and do maybe what you want them to do. So go subscribe, like, share, and watch. Yeah, I'm actually growing, and I'm sure one day I'll reach some point and have.
I know your first video on YouTube, like you start laughing, no confidence. Right now,
I know. Oh my, you know, staying focused on the camera, and you know, actually, I'm someone who is introvert, and I'm facing the camera and talking to the people without maybe being shy, and I'm a shy girl. Oh my God, it's a banger. I tried, but I tried. I actually dropped another video yesterday.
yes, I see you and your mom.
Yeah,
Heading to the market.
I think at that video I tried. You guys go watch my video.
You're
and
a
tell
good
me.
editor.
The first time
Yes. Eh?
but I didn't edit alone. I had a small helper. Yeah, he actually helped me, and I'm actually learning. Editing is actually one of the challenges I have. I also try to edit, but it reaches a point I'm like, should I stop? But seeing the goals that I have in my life, I'm like, I won't stop. I have to keep pushing. And you know, but the people who have subscribed to my YouTube channel and my returning subscriber, they're like, we need another video. We need another video.
Yes.
And yeah, so from that pressure, I'm just trying as much as possible to bring you guys a lot of content. Yeah, so guys, go check on my second video on YouTube. Go tell me, was it legit? At least I tried.
Okay.
Yeah, having this courage, it's actually a banger.
Yeah.
And I'm actually so thankful to Hello Baby connecting with us and sharing these good moments together. It's actually a nice thing. Kindly, guys, continue supporting him. He's such a nice person. You know, it's very difficult to get someone, or maybe to have someone who can actually connect with you, help you grow, give you advices on how you're gonna grow your YouTube channel, help you overcome the challenges you're having. Actually, you're not going to tell me that the challenges you're having are just gonna fade away. They're not gonna fade away, but good people come in that way and help you fight those challenges. Yeah, so I'm actually so glad connecting with Hello Baby today, because this meetup was actually not planned. I just got a call from Kisii girl, and Kisii girl was like,
why don't you link up your number on this description? Maybe if somebody needs you, they can type and call in.
I will actually do that.
Or you
Maybe,
fear people?
No, I don't fear people.
For example,
Just
let me
like-
tell you one thing. Maybe somebody need maybe to support you, and then they need your contact. How should I get you maybe easily?
Okay, actually, Hello Baby, you're actually saying it for the first time. You know, I was not that sure if I can put my number there, because you know people may
Yes,
be
we have
like,
some scammers here. You must be
people
very
might
careful.
be like, where is this girl putting her number there? Does she expect us to support her, or maybe does she want something, or
No.
maybe there are people who have negative thoughts. They might take that number or maybe send anonymous messages. And I'm actually growing, so I might be like, is this what YouTube holds for me? And I'm like, oh my God, but I will. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm sure, maybe you might surprise me. I never know. Well, maybe you might be like,
Alright guys, you know the bet went off, and then I need to exchange. So let's continue.
oh, so
So
guys,
which kind of video did you make? Did you do maybe on YouTube?
okay, my first video was the introduction of what I'm gonna bring for you guys, and my second video is being with being in the Kisii market with my super mom. Yeah, so you guys kindly go and watch. Let's connect together. And so I was saying, me connecting with Hello Baby was such a big deal. Kisii girl called me today, and she was like, we need to do a collabo, and I was there alone. My mom was not in the house. I was not prepared, and we had camp meetings going on. Yeah, so
In the church or school?
Yeah, in the church. The camp meeting started yesterday, and I wanted to go also for the camp meetings, but I'll go after lunch. So I was like, let me go rush and connect with Hello Baby because I needed also this thing. And yeah, so I did my things. I rushed to town, connected with that Kisii girl, and finally connected with Hello Baby.
Okay, can I ask you one question? Maybe one day, me and Osai want to come to your place from Kisii. Which estate do you stay? Apart from Kisii town?
We stay at a place called Texas. But actually right now they are actually establishing a place which was called Nyambera. It used to be a dumping site. Yeah, it used to be, and that name is so bad. I don't Nyambera. I don't like when people ask
in a Kisii language it sound.
Yeah, it's bad. People it's a place where people used to be buried. So when someone asked me, where do you live? I won't tell that person I live at Nyambera. Oh my God, that person would be like, Nyambera, no. So
are you a Kisii?
I'm a mixed Kisii, mixed Kikuyu.
Your mom, she's a Kikuyu,
and
your
my
dad?
dad is a Kisii.
Oh.
Yeah, so they're actually establishing a place called People's Park. A governor's expectation. Yeah, so that place will usually be called People's Park, not Nyambera. Yeah, so guys, don't forget to again go check my channel. You see, I'm a vibe. I'm a vibe. I'll tell you.
Come to my village.
I will come to Nyabohanse one day.
When?
I'm not sure.
You know, tomorrow I'll be here again.
You'll be
picking
here
some stuff. Yes.
I don't know.
You'll see on videos.
But I'll come to Nyabohanse one
When?
day. Who doesn't want to come to that big? Maybe it's gonna be a city one day.
If you go maybe to America and then you say I'm from Nyabohanse, they never knew like you're from Kenya. When you say Nyabohanse, they say, oh, free accommodation.
Hey, that place is actually growing. Hey.
If, for example, let me tell you one thing. I have some fans from Jamaica, also from US. They told me, hello baby, if you came to Jamaica, don't struggle. Free accommodation, 1 year.
Wow, that's a nice idea. Maybe if I come
I'm
to
telling you.
Free accommodation.
Yes.
Free everything. I don't have to worry myself. I'll just reach Nyabohanse and I'm like, hello baby, I'm there.
Guys, for sure this vibe reminds me Cast and Dave.
I know, right?
Yes, Kikuyu are more vibe.
I know, we are more vibe. But also I'm a Kisii. My dad is a Kisii, so I'm a Kisii.
You're half caste.
I'm a half caste.
Yes, I see
Guys,
in your
tell me,
face, you're like
do I
Kikuyu.
look like a Kisii?
Cast official. Okay, anyway, support her
But
as you
tribe
can.
does not matter. Tribe
Yes.
does not matter.
Yes.
Yeah. So
If
long as
could
we
maybe your
we are-
tribe, I could maybe calling you, oh, let's have maybe a collab or no.
Yeah, so long as you're just spreading love, positive vibes, connecting, everything is well.
Okay,
Yep.
okay. Are you ready for tomorrow's video?
I'm ready. I can't wait.
If I
I'll
didn't,
have sleepless nights.
maybe let me tell you one thing. If I didn't come here tomorrow, maybe the following day, because I'm going to make arrangement to hire a car like that, picking my stuff.
Oh,
You know?
actually, that's
It's a huge stuff.
good luck.
You will see on videos, maybe on the part of the videos.
I can't
Okay,
wait.
introduce one more, because this is your best moment. Free shout out, no
Yeah,
payment.
it's my best moment. Hi, again here with Atbing Shakua. Go check me on my YouTube channel.
Yes.
Tell me what you'll want me guys to bring for you. Let's share good moments, good vibes, positive vibes. Let's connect. Yeah, and who knows?
Okay,
I might-
guys.
yeah.
So you know, ladies, you're lucky enough. You can do maybe cooking videos, washing
know, right?
your mom's clothes. That's our videos.
And people
Cleaning. That's our videos. Going to the market, buying veggies, tomatoes. That's our videos.
Yeah, so we're actually advantageous. Even you guys are advantageous.
Or you do maybe bathing on the sun. You put maybe water there at your compound. Let me tell you one thing.
Remember we're in Kisii town. You know Nyabohanse can go to the river.
No, at your home, inside your compound.
We don't have a place like that. It's just flat. Ground floor, first, second, third. Where will I go and
You
bath?
go on the rooftop.
We don't have rooftop.
No hidden roof. Oh my God.
Maybe I build one of mine one day like Bimwango.
Wanna go back on it? See, umesema ni town.
But we stay at the apartment.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, I get. That's very difficult.
So it's very difficult.
Maybe you find at your friend's place.
She also lives in a rental place. Yeah, a fancy rental place.
Or you find Baba Mario's home. You spend your... No, let me tell you one thing. If you want maybe to succeed in this life, you need
to chase.
Chase those. Yes. You use a lot of money to gain more things. Like from here to Baba Mario, you go, you make videos. Unaweza jifunga leso kutoka hapa. Ama uvae hiyo top. Hapa chini ufunge leso. Usunoga tu hivi.
No, actually, I'm a beginner in these things, and I'm actually trying to see which content I'm gonna bring for you guys so that you cannot get bored. So
hire me to be your cameraman, and then I'll show you how to do videos. Nice videos.
Maybe I hire him for now, and then
guys,
maybe in future
if you remember Felicitas, I just shoot for her videos. Yeah, she do nice.
Guys, as I told you, I'm a small YouTuber. I don't have money. I'm
you prepare to come in my village.
Parents.
You know, like when you come to my village, I'll give some people, you know, to do more collab. You know, 90% in our village, we are more YouTubers.
I will save.
Only
I will save, and then maybe when the amount reaches the amount that I want, I'll come to Nyabohanse.
Okay.
Yep.
Guys, we have some birds here. Hey, nice name, basta kuzionyesha. Hizi nakuja na hang kwa nyumba hii. Okay. So guys, I'm leaving this place. I think we have to stay on the other side. Talking that lady. Hey, Kisii lady.
Yeah, it's Kisii girl.
It reminds my mama from this place. Okay.
Okay, haraka hiyo.
Nakuja na truck tunanunua plastiki mpya na kwa hiyo. Tumejaa robo tunja. Unaona kama unafikia hapa